friends, it's Penny Wolf, and I have a haul video to share with you today. Got some neat items, and we'll get right on to it. And I have another one that'll be coming up too, that some things I picked up today, which I have a frame and some Sundance and Patagonia and some other really neat things. If you'd like, you can subscribe to the channel, and that way you'll get notifications when I upload another video. And I do haul videos, and I do ship with me videos on what's sold on eBay and Posh. If you haven't watched any of my other videos before, my name is Penny Wolf, and I sell on eBay, top rated power seller on eBay, and sell clothing on Poshmark, Posh Ambassador. Anyhow, we'll get right to it. Let's see, this first item I have, this is in the plus sizes, and this is very pretty, and it's called Denim 24/7, but it's a 22W, and it's like a peasant top, but it has like this lace-like embroidered. This is a nice blouse, or top, and I would call this like boho, peasant, floral, lace accent, and it does button up, and obviously, I don't know if they make smaller sizes, but I wouldn't buy this if it wasn't a plus size. That is the brand there. I got this for $1, and this will sell between probably $15 and $20. Most all the items I get for $1. I do pay up for some things, but I wait for the dollar sales. This is another plus size, and I don't have my glasses on. I think it's a 2X, but it's only necessities, and the only reason I bought it is because it is brand new with tags, but it's like a pleat blouse. Look how pretty that is. It'd be very nice for office business wear, or you could do casual or maybe a date night. But that is plus sizes, and this will probably sell even new with tags. I'll consider it new with tags because it still has this little button on it. I don't know if it has, I don't think it has any of the other tags on it. But anyways, probably 10 to 15 really. As I've said before, if you want to buy brand new with tag items, shop on eBay because things sell for a fraction of the retail suggested prices. This is a Comanche Blue, and this is Anthropology, and I really watched picking this up because this line doesn't move that quickly. However, I thought this was very pretty. It's kind of like, it is kind of like a knit, almost like a sweater material, but I'll consider it a top because it's thinner, but it's kind of almost like a burnout with the lace, and I paid $1, and probably 10, 15, but a lot of your sales, are your bread and butter sales, and they add up. I do, pay up for some more name brand things, and they sell for quite a bit more. However, also the bread and butter sales are very important, and the more activity you have in your eBay store, whether it's sales or new listings, that will generate more sales. It will. And this here is a plus size, I think also. I think it's a plus size. Anyhow, it's called Kenzie, and I don't know, it's kind of the cold shoulder, but it's kind of like an off shoulder type blouse. But look at how cool this is. It's very boho. Look at the bell cuff on this, and it's got floral, and it's very pretty. I thought that this may sell, otherwise I probably would not have picked it up, but that is a plus size, and this may sell for around $10. Towards a really great plus size brand to pick up too, and it sells quite quickly. It doesn't sell for a lot, but it sells quickly. And I listed on Posh and eBay. I just listed one, I think last night or the night before, and it just sold for $10. It was a little short sleeve, and I let it go for that, but it was a very quick sale. I paid, I think, $1. This is Orvis, and Orvis is a men's brand, and they do make some women too, but it's kind of like an outdoor wear. But I kind of watch picking up men's stuff for outdoor wear. However, this is kind of almost like a safari kind of coat, and this I got for $1. I have not looked up comps. They will have to pay shipping. It is over £1. I charge for shipping on eBay, and I don't know on this. If I was to guess, I'd say between 25 and 40. And I paid $1. But it's an older brand, and look up comps before you purchase the items. Their flannels probably still do pretty great too. This item, it just fell off. I picked these up because there was 2 of them. They're incredibly soft. And actually, it is Victoria's Secret. Watch picking up Victoria's Secret. Look up comps first. However, lingerie sells, silk lingerie sells, and vintage gold label sells. And some of the big spell outs. This does not have the spell out, but look at, I don't know if I'll let them together or not. They're both a lace up front. And they're long. They're kind of like, I don't know if you consider this a tunic. I don't know, these might be mediums, but there's 2 of them, and I thought, well, this would probably be worth a try. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't have picked it up because there's no spell out. you know, for Victoria's Secret, but they're incredibly soft. I don't know if they're rayon, but that's Victoria's Secret. If you could do me a favor and push the thumbs up button, or the thumbs up button, I'd greatly appreciate it, to let me know that you're getting some valuable content out of it, because that's what all this is about, is to get valuable content. And also, if you could subscribe, I greatly appreciate it, because it moves the video up in the suggested videos on YouTube for more people to possibly get a chance to watch the videos and maybe get some valuable content. I would greatly appreciate it if you'd do that. This is really a beautiful, it's a Free People, and this was $1, and I was surprised, but this is super cool. The back is got like buttons, and it's got like this little belt on the rear. I haven't looked it up yet, but it's like a denim, and it's really cute. Denim peplum. It's kind of more of like a gray, and but it's Free People, and some Free People sells pretty decent, and for some money, some doesn't. Some will sit and not sell for much money at all. I just did sell a tank top, and I think it went for 10. It was incredibly soft. I did sell a dress which looked like a tunic tank top, or long tunic top, sleeveless, and it sold for like $39 on Posh right away. But a lot of things that I buy for Free People, especially like the oversized tops, they sit a lot. If you can leave in the comments how you do on Free People, I greatly appreciate it, or on some of the other brands that I mentioned today. Also on Madewell, because that's another one. However, this will sell, and it's a denim. I don't know how much. I would have to guess between maybe 10 and 25. Some of it doesn't resell for a lot. This was brand new with tags. The only reason I bought it, it's a beautiful purple dress, sleeveless, and it's Daisy Fluence. I don't know how to pronounce that. However, with it being brand new with tags, is how come I purchased it, and it looks like it did. It retailed for $60. You know what? Like I said before, the new with tags thing on eBay, you might get 20 out of it. Maybe 29, but probably closer to 20. But that is it, and that is the new with tags tag there. But it was worth picking up because I only paid $1 for that. It's cute too. It's kind of like a, you know, I would say it's almost like a sheath. It's not or a fit flare, but it's more like a sheath, I think. And I don't know how to describe the top there. It's not really exactly a wrap. I did pick this up because it's a dress. I don't pick up Lauren Ruffler too much, hardly at all anymore. However, with this being a dress and floral, it seems like they usually do pretty decent, or at least they did. This is beautiful. It's like purple. And for summer coming up, this would be super cute. It's got a little bit of ruched side on it. I bought it for $1. It's a size 2, which is small. But I'd say between 10 and 20. I will try to get more. I'll probably list it maybe around 29. But if you only spend $1 and you make a $10 profit, you only have to sell 10 items a day to make $100. You sell 20 a day, that's $200. Now, if you get up in the range where you can sell items for 20 a piece, you only have to sell 5 a day to make $100. It all adds up very quickly. And it just depends on the model that you'd like to use for your business. This I picked up because I just sold one of these, and this is brand new with tags, and I don't know if the other one I just sold, it sold right away, whether it was brand new with tags. I don't know if this is under the Anthropology line or not, but it's very boho. But with this being brand new with tags, it's Artesia, and it's very boho. Isn't this cute? It's almost like a semi-sheer, but I paid $1 for it, and I would say that, you know, hopefully maybe around 20 for this. I don't know. I'll have to double check on the comps. I waited for this to go for $1. This is a plus size women's, but it's a Lane Bryant. I don't pick up all Lane Bryant, only certain pieces, although some people say they do really great with it. I really think it probably depends on the style, and some of it's worth more than others. It's not worth a ton, but I thought this was unique, and I loved it. It's got a zip, you know, side on it, you know, for easy on and off, but I thought it was beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Wouldn't that be cute for summer with a pair of jeans, or, you know, or something like that? And you could dress it up and wear it at the office. I paid $1, and this is, I think, a size 20. And it's Lane Bryant. And I would say 10, 15, maybe 20. I don't know, but probably. And it has got a little bit of beading on it. And I didn't realize I had some of the plus sizes with this haul. However, this is a torrid piece, and I was just talking about the torrid piece. This is a semi-sheer. It's a torrid 2. And if you're not familiar with torrid, it's usually torrid 0, 1, 2, 3, and like 4. And that'd be like a 0x or a 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. I think that's how it equivalents across, you know, but, you know, to other regular sizing, but that's how it is. And I wonder if they're slightly bigger than that, because it almost seems like they are. I don't know for sure on that, but this is a Torrid 2. I will list it as a 2X, but it's almost a semi-sheer. It's a button-up, short sleeve for summer. This will sell right away. And this will sell for probably between $10 and $20. Probably, you know, if, I'd like to get 15, but, you know, it may be between there. This is a Talbot's, and I don't pick up Talbot's anymore unless it's something spectacular. This is silk, and it's purple, and with it being silk, I picked it up. Talbot's, I think, is more of a classic older line, and I used to pick up quite a little bit of Talbot's, but I don't anymore. I just don't think it moves as great or sells for as much, but this, with it being silk, this will sell, and I haven't looked this up. Sometimes these will surprise you and be worth a little bit of money, $20, $30, or it might be worth 10 to 20, but this is worth it for $1 to pick up with it being silk, and I'll have to look it up. This is an Express, and the only reason I bought this is because it's brand new with tags. I have heard that the portfolio shirts sell. I used to pick these up. I don't too much anymore. But with being brand new with tags, I got it for $1. Yeah, you best bet I picked it up. It is a long sleeve, but it's got the roll tab, and it's kind of like a purpley blue, or cobalt blue maybe, and it probably is a small size. Let's see here. It's got a thing right on it. I don't know, it's like a small, maybe, or a medium. I can't really tell on there until I have my glasses. But with it being brand new with tags, I don't know. Maybe maybe 20, but if not, at least 10. And this here is a pair of pants. I don't know what they are. This is, oh, it's a pair of Madewell. I have 2 already listed right now, and they haven't been moving. And I know a lot of the resellers say that they list them and they were selling them for $50. However, these are the high-waisted, and they are still, I don't know if these might be considered like straight or peg. I don't know if they're the skinny. I did just watch a thing, I was reading something, I was reading an article, and it was stating that that this, it was like the Paris, one of the Paris fashion shows, and the people that were attending, they weren't wearing the skinny jeans. They were wearing more of the full leg or the wide leg. And I thought maybe like straight and then flare. I don't know. I like that style, but I ain't really big on the wide leg. Anyhow, you're going to want to start looking up comps. But these are in really nice shape. They were made well. They were $4.99, and I think I did pay full price for these. If not, I may have gotten 25 or 30% off, because I go on Wednesdays for senior citizen discount. And if I take my red badge, it's an additional $5 off. Anyhow, I don't know, because I still got the other 2. These used to sell for $50. I don't know, between 25 and 50. But oh, they were $4.99. And then if I did get the discount, you know, still, even if I paid $5, they sold for 20. That's like tripling your money, and 20 would be extremely on the low end for that. You know, that was a good buy. This was $1. I don't know if I should have picked it up or not. It's brand new with tags. It's Christopher Banks. It was $44.95 originally. I don't really like to pick up button-up shirts too much anymore, because they don't seem like they move as quickly, and it's only a large. This could sit. Really watch picking up new with tags if they're not like a big name brand. I turned some down today that I didn't end up getting because they just don't move. However, Christopher Banks may. And you know, I bet you any money it'd probably be like $10. Brand new with tags too. This is a pair of jeans. Let's see what we got here. These are a pair of silver, and I got them for $1. And I guess, you know, silver does move. These are in pretty good shape, and these look kind of like a boot, between a boot and a flare. I'll have to look it up and then see if there's like a style name. One thing I really like about jeans is a lot of times they'll have the style name either on a separate tag or on the material tag. And this looks like it's called Suki, and it's silver. I got it for $1, and but I do charge for shipping, and that means the customer is going to have to pay an additional like $7.90 is what I charge, because I pay for almost that, because I mail out in the padded flat rates generally, if they'll fit in that, and jeans will. It's surprising what you can get in those. And anyhow, even if you go with free shipping, you're still going to have to figure in that shipping cost somewhere. I don't know on these because they're not really up on the jean pricing, but you know, maybe between 15 and 25. I don't know. This I bought because it was a denim shirt, and I really hesitated. It's an extra small, but it has pearl snaps, and it's Gap. Otherwise, and it's denim. That's the only reason I picked it up. Hopefully, this will move. And you know, probably 10, 15, but it's an extra small, and that's small. However, I did hear one or two of the other resellers, and I think I've heard it mentioned before, sometimes the really tiny sizes sell too, because, you know, people are looking for that. But as a rule, you generally want to buy the, you know, larger size, you know, type thing. But anyhow, I hope that you've enjoyed this video today and you got some valuable content out of it. Have a blessed day. Thank you.